Great. Okay, so can you all look up, please? Can you all see? Do you all have Derive open? Yeah. So what we're going to look at is how to expand. So let me zoom in a bit for you. Whoops. So I'd like everybody to type this one in, please. The first one there. Yep. Okay. X plus 3y squared. X plus 3y squared. You have that typed in? Okay, so what we look at now is simple. You see, we did this in the first lesson, so I'm not going to help you. The lessons are recorded and they're on Moodle. Okay, so x plus 3y squared. You have that typed in? Yes? Yeah, and then pick simplify, expand. But it's important that you make sure you have x and y highlighted.
Yeah. Then click OK.
And then click, I think, let me double check what it was. Simplify, expand, expand. So you should have that in front of you. Let's try another one. Minus 2x, or let's pick a big one. Minus 3x minus y power 9. Minus 3x minus y power 9, I think. Yep. So again, simplify, expand, and expand. Yeah? Yep. Okay, so just for practice for a moment, I want you to do B, C, and D. 1 B, C, and D for practice right now. Just to make sure you got it. No, you can't use this one. There's something wrong with this one. You have to go somewhere else. You done those? B, C, and D? Yes. What? Have you finished them?
Yes.
Right, well just give me the phone. And just so you don't use it, we'll put it over on the window. Because I don't trust you. Yeah, I'll put it right beside this nice dirty old fork here, okay? You can collect it in a few minutes. Sorry, man. Yep. Okay, I think that should be enough time to have them finished. So, next one we'll look at. So, we saw how to draw last time, remember? So what we're going to do is draw these two here. So let's type them in first. Y equals minus 6x plus 8. So y equals minus 6x plus 8. And y equals minus 7x plus 9. Y equals minus 7x plus 9.
Sorry, I wrote the first one. Second one, how?
They're the two there. You typed them in?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's draw them. So the first one, I click it, and then the graph button here, and then the draw button. And then remember how to get both windows together? We do window, tile vertically. Let me go back here and draw the second one now. Graph button and draw. Now I'll have to zoom in or something, it's not clear. It's hard to see, but can you roughly see the kind of meet around about here, near x is 1? Yeah. Now, do you remember how to put the graph back into the original file? File, embed. It's hard to see, my screen is small, but what I'd like you to do is to put your graph in the original file. So let me just see if you've done that.
Sorry,
Yeah.
how can I explain that? I did it. How can I?
Well, I think you mean make it bigger.
Yeah.
I think if you just drag it maybe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's okay. But see, it's difficult here. I feel like we have to try and maybe adjust it a bit. You know what I mean? This is kind of a little bit better, yeah. So you can delete this and then put it in again. Yeah, that's a little bit better.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, try this last week, you remember? Alright, it's okay. So, what you do is once you open this window, you click this button here. And then you click the other one here. And again, graph and draw. There. And then you can do file, embed. That's it there. Okay. Now, what we'd like to do next is find out where that point is that they meet. Okay? So the way to do that, firstly you have to make note of what lines these are on. Line 5 and 6. So then you pick solve system. And then you type in how many equations. So here is 2. Solve system, okay, 2. And you should get this window here. Now, listen carefully. What you can do is you can type the equations in 1 and 2. But we shouldn't do this because we know a quick way. If you know where the equation is in your file, how can you get it there without having to type the whole equation again? Hashtag. So what was it? See, hashtag 5 and hashtag 6. So if I put hashtag 5 and 6 in there, it'll appear automatically. So the first one, hashtag 5, hashtag 6, and it should, when you click the solve box, the solve variable box, you should get X and Y now. Ah, you have to go back to this window. Oh, it's because you have this highlight here, see? Now let's try it. tag on this keyboard is, I think they put it here. Why is that? It's always there. It's there every week. It's been there for the last 1 year and it'll be there for the next year. I'm not again. This one's not there. True, yes. Okay, do you have that? So then once you have that 5 and 6 here, or whatever it is for you, you click this box and you can click X and Y, and then you click solve. Yeah. We would like to put this point on the graph. So we can go back to our graph if we like, we can draw it again, or if you want you can just right click and pick edit to open it back up. Edit, right click, edit. Right click the graph and pick edit. You did that? No, you're already on the graph, are you? Good, so this is what I want you to be on. Yeah, so just wait there. Once you have the graph open, what you do then is, where they meet, left click, right click, insert annotation. 1, 2, and OK. Left click, right click, insert annotation.
Wait, why it's 1, 2?
Because that's the point where they meet. It was the answer from the previous one. What? Left click, right click, insert annotation. Where you want the number to be on the graph. No, here. Left click, right click, insert annotation. Brackets 1, 2. Right. Did you get it? Good, yeah. So then what you can do is go back to this and then pick File, Embed to put it back in. Embed. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. You can change the scale by using these buttons. You see? And then File, Embed. Okay, so File, Embed. Okay, I want everybody now for practice. For 2B, I want you to draw, solve, or maybe it'd be easier to solve, draw, and then when you draw, put the point in also. So for 2B, solve and draw, and include the point in your drawing. Very good. Did you put the point on? Not yet. Yes. Okay, so while you do it, I'll try to. Let's see. Okay, so that's what you should have on the screen.
Should you have the same way too?
No, because it's going to be a different point. So you haven't solved them yet. Did you add any points? Go back. You have to put the point here too. You know what point to use? Did you solve it? No, close that. Go back. You need to go down. Down. You need to solve these now. Remember? Solve system. Yeah. Yes, you got it? Good. Good, yes, that's it. Question? No? Okay, so that was linear and linear. So I'd like you to try for me now this linear and quadratic here. This one here, let me zoom in. You see that, Habib? Yep. There we go. So I want you to try this one next now. It's a linear and a quadratic. So it should have 2 points. Yeah, now you see it's a little bit off the screen, so you probably want to click here, no, click the box here and zoom out. Is this zoom out? No, try the other one here. Yeah, now click that one again. The one no, try the other one, the squishy one. No, keep going with that one. Try that. Yeah, keep going. More. There. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's the deal. Hey, why are you so late?
I just wanted to give you this.
Oh, you can't give it to me because
Sylvia's not there.
I know, but then you have to give it to somebody else because the reason is it has to be administration staff that has to accept it.
Not like not when there no one is in there. And Sylvia wants to Or CSI.
She went too? This is going to complicate things for me today, huh? Alright, well, I guess I could take it, but I really shouldn't, okay?
I already gave Stephen mine for my EAP.
Physics?
No, EAP.
Oh, but Stephen B doesn't play by the rules. Do you have a stapler? Right, well, just wait there a second. I'll get this staple and give you the receipt back, okay? Does anybody have a stapler I could borrow? Anyone have a stapler? You have one? Thanks, Andy. Interesting. What about scissors too? Any kind of scissors? I'll have to tear it off, okay? Shouldn't you? You should be in this class, Derive.
We already spoke yesterday, me and I'm not feeling well.
Yeah, she said you went to the doctor's or something, so you won't be in class today? Okay. I suppose I should. Am I supposed to sign this or
I
you?
think me.
What did you do on the other one?
I don't know.
Give me a pen or something. I'll put my initial on it. We'll make it look kind
It's like I'm gonna keep him with me or something.
Yeah, I don't know. There, that'll do.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. See you next week then. So you'll miss physics then, yeah? Yeah, okay, see you next week then. Good. I was thinking, no, she's in take one. Oh, yeah, she has physics, you don't. Yeah, don't be disappointed by that. Alright, let me see these graphs now. So, that's nice. Oh, that's great. And you got the 2 points on it too. Habib, did you put the 2 points on the graph? Yep, good, okay. Oh, you're launching it. The graph looks here. Yeah, I think you want to widen it. So, let's try this one here, and then maybe yeah, that's good. So then put these 2 points on too as well.
Together with the poison?
No, one there and one there. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? You're asking me. Yeah. Yes. Now look, this graph here, there, it's hidden. There. So I put a point here and a point here. Yeah?
I solved it myself.
Good for you. You did this one? Good.
So how can I do that?
Let me go back.
Because of this point here, it should be here.
You might be able to move them.
Thank you to community.
Yes. Busy. What's wrong? Did you draw it? Here, we'll draw this here. Did you try to draw? It's not that one. I don't like this Acer stuff. Where's your mouse gone? I can't see it. Oh, there. Turn the brightness up, please, for me. That. Right, click. Yep. And then click. It's easier on. Try again. Go steady. There. Now I want you then to solve these and put the 2 points on it too. You remember how to solve? It's system solve. Okay. So let me have a look at this. So Habib, do you mind calling out the equations? What's the first one? Y equals?
Y equals x minus 1.
Yeah.
Y equals x minus
X squared.
minus x, 4x minus 1.
Okay. Solve system 2, line 14, line 15. Solve xy. Right, so there's my points. Now I want to draw them. So that's the first one. And then the second one. Right, so this one here was, what was the point? 5, 4, was it?
Yeah,
5, 4. And then the second one is 0, minus 1.
Yeah.
I think these ones might be too difficult for you to draw. Let me try. Oh no, you can. Cool. All right. So this is the last type, and in maths class. No, actually, yeah, you might think that, but in fact, Derive doesn't need you to rearrange the drawing. So in maths class, we do not do the graph of that type of equation, which kind of looks like a quadratic, but you notice that it has an x squared and a y squared in it. So it's kind of some type of double quadratic. In fact, the type of shape that one will make will be a type of circle shape. But that's not important for the maths exam. But Derive has no problem drawing graphs. So I would like you to solve and draw these two. And the second one should be kind of an egg shape. And then the first one will just be a line through it.
I made it.
That one?
No, this one.
Of course, but I want you to do this one now.
We couldn't, you know?
Well, that's great. I don't really care. I want you to do this one now.
But what do you think? Is it right or?
No.
No?
No, because the other point is not on the graph here, where it meets.
Yeah, no, but I mean in general.
No, not in general.
Yeah?
I want the other point too. And these 2 points should be at each intersection.
So this should be
Yeah.
here.
Yes.
And this should be here.
No. They meet up here. You haven't zoomed out enough. Look. Here. See? 1 point here and 1 point here. Now you might have to delete it if it's. Let's try again. Stick to English. So these are the points I got for where they meet. -5, 4, and 6, 6. So let's try to draw it. Let me delete that and start again. Alright. That's the first one. And now the second one is, where is it? There it is. Oh yeah, well that's fine. So it's if you zoom in, you see a circle in the center, actually, a type of circular shape. So it's a really weird shape. Oh, that's really weird. Alright, don't worry about what shape it is. In fact, I know they look like straight lines, but they're actually not straight lines. Where's my original gone? There it is. So what was this? Was 6, 6. And then what was the other one? What was the other point? Minus 5 and 4, I think, was it? Yeah. And again, I know it actually looks like two straight lines coming out, but it's actually more two big circle-y type shapes like that, okay? But that's how it should look. Good, good, good. Got it? Oh, you didn't write it down. Okay.
Sorry,
Yes.
can you just go back to that one?
This?
No, not this.
What?
Sorry, the quiz, yeah.
Ah, no, I have to move on to the next one. I left it up on the screen for 5 minutes.
Yeah, but
But what?
I remember the first
Yeah.
quiz, the second one.
But you didn't write it down. It was only bored for 5 minutes.
I remember, look.
Would you like 7 minutes?
2 x minus.
No, I have to go on to the next example now.
Yeah, I know.
So what are you asking me?
This one.
Yes, it is. Right. On the board now is your next and last example. So can we look up? It's a bit small to read, but look up and I'll read it to you. So, what I want, if you can see, I want you to draw e to the minus x. Now the science and engineering students should definitely know the shape of this. What shape is e minus x?
What?
What shape is e minus x graph?
I know.
Andy, David, come on. What shape is it? Increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
You're just guessing.
No,
It's decreasing.
it's
Yes.
I always, the first one I missed it.
So maybe if you pause for a moment before you answer. Now, the E here, you don't press E on the keyboard because it's a constant. So Control E, okay? And then the second one is y equals sine x. And what I would like you to do for this last example is to draw and solve. So I want this graph and I want you to show me where the points meet as well. So draw and solve, or solve and draw. The order is not important.
How can we decide?
You just type it, sine x, sine brackets x. Yep. Ah, yes. Why did you install it in German? What you should do tonight is uninstall it and install it again in English. Dude, I don't know how to change it.
I think this one is no.
Look, you have to be charming, man. I know some keywords and key letters. I don't know how to change language when the language is in German. Dude, fix it tonight. Uninstall it, install it again, okay?
Is this right?
Did you type Control E?
This one.
Yeah, okay. So draw it. Yes. Okay, now do the sine x.
And then draw.
Okay, so let's have a look at this. Y equals e power minus x, and then y equals sine x. Solve system 2. Now look what happens when you try to solve it. What's happened? We didn't get an answer. Did we? See? Look up, look up. Look up! So when I tried to solve these two, I did not get an answer. So do you remember what that means when Derive doesn't give you an answer? What does it mean?
It doesn't exist.
There's no accurate answer. So what do you do in this situation? Well, what you do then is solve expression, x and y, and then we pick either and real and solve. And you see we get an approximate answer. So when you get the solve expression answer and it's not accurate, then what you need to do is pick, solve system. After solve system, solve expression. So have you done solve system first? Yeah. Oh, you have it. Okay, good. This is it here, is it? Yeah. And then we do solve. Solve expression. Either real x and y. There we go. Yes. Not either and real.
Why are you?
This is last one.
I remember it.
Yes. So now I think you should zoom in here on this graph. You know, zoom in. There. And then there's the point there. And then I can put that one. Okay. Now this is good, but I would like you to zoom in actually. Zoom in. Yeah, so you can see this is the answer you got. And then I want you to put this point in here. You don't have to type all the numbers, just do like 5, 8 and 5, 5. Don't forget, I want the graph, but I want you to zoom in, yeah, and then put the point there as well. Right, I better take the attendance so I don't forget. This is, thank you. This is, I'll take 2 for lots of people. RCSI. Crazy, crazy people. Right, quantum is RCSI, I think. Mohammed, maybe you know their medicine. Mohammed, RCSI. Luke, RCSI. Samira, Muna, Shaban, Han, Eamon, Rawan. Oh, but she doesn't do this anyways. MB, he's definitely not RCSI, so he's not here. And Steve is RCSI. And then Andy, yeah. Amro,
Yes.
yeah. Abdad, yes. Amr, no. Shiraz, no. But Shiraz is okay. Yes. Habib, yes. Rumesa, RCSI. Fatima, yes. Amjad, yes. Salma, yes. Lojain, no. Rashari, RCSI. And business students, no RCSI students there for sure.
I used to be in, not used to, but very close to RCSI. I did roads.
Yes.
I used to study medicine my first year in County Care in Berlin.
Great.
And,
Right. G1. I'm not sure who this is. That's you, is it? Okay. Dude. Give me that. Give me that. Now, no, you talk to me after class now. No, stop talking, I'll make it worse, okay? Abdul Karim? No, okay. Tan? Oh, sorry. Florence?
Yep.
Falling? Lena? Yeah. John Park?
Yeah.
That's you, okay. Some difficult, possibly Nigerian name beginning with O. That's you. Oreo. Okay. Alvin. Son. No. Amal. And yes, sir. So I think I got everybody then. Yes. Okay. So once you have that example finished, and if you like, you can save this and email it to yourself. Then you can go. Thank you, Ahmed. Zoom. I think you should zoom in here. Okay. This method only ever gives you 1 point. This is its weakness. Yeah.
I've done the Derive 6, but I don't know where it goes.
I think the best thing is if you come to see me and we can try and figure out how to install it, okay? So, are you free today at 3 o'clock or do you have class at 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock. You're free? You have no class? For how long? Because 3 o'clock, I'm teaching until 3 o'clock. It's the only time I'm free, you know? You think you could be in school at 3 o'clock or not? Maybe? Okay, well look, if you are in school at about 3 or 3:30, then you can come to the office and we can see what we can do. Okay? Alright. Okay, you.
It was just a mistake. You said that we can take it in a few minutes. It was just, I thought it was okay. And we finished it almost.
Don't disrespect me like this again.
No, I didn't mean to do that.
But you know when I take the phones off of people, they always ask me before they take it back, can I take it back, right? Right? No, but you know, like for example, if the phone is here, yes, the student is leaving, they'll come up to me and say, can I take this? Right?
I'll do that.
Please do. It's about manners and respect, okay? Right, see you. Oh, if anybody has trouble installing Derive, just talk to me as well. You.
yeah, I want.
Usually I don't know why you come out in June.
Yes.
No, indoor.
See you.
Sorry,
What do you need? Yeah.
Any time or what?
Yeah. What exactly do you need? Like what do you need?
Just to show me all of these things here. What does it mean? That's it.
No. No, because you missed the lessons. So
But
what
I missed the lesson, yeah, for some special problems. I had a severe back pain. I slept in my economics exam.
Yes,
26.
but I record all my lessons.
You record?
Yes. It's
Where?
on Moodle. The lessons have been recorded. This lesson is
Where can I
recorded.
if I
Go to Moodle.
Moodle, yeah?
Yeah, you have your Moodle.
Look for what?
ICT.
ICT.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.